Hi there, this is Mohammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about Insert tab, in which we'll try to learn about pages, tables, group, and illustrations. So let's try to go and try cover page option. Well, cover page is something that I may be explaining it like this. Or any book that has the first page is something known as cover page. Cover page is always designed with beautiful colors and beautiful names and with beautiful information. So let me apply grid one. Let's try to use that and let's experience that. Document title, you can go like I have to type Great Empire. Let's try to select that and apply color, and let's try to use I think this dark red, and let's try document subtitle. Let's try to edit that. Let's try to use uppercase in this case. Well, you can edit that and use and utilize according to your need. Hold the control or the command button on keyboard and select that and go for insert. There is an option inside cover page known as save selection to cover page gallery. Try to name it. John. Okay, now I have saved it in save selection to cover page gallery. If I want to select that and delete that, you're free to delete that because it is already saved. If you want to use that, you can go for cover page and try to come down, and there is John design or John cover page. See, you can anytime use that. And there is another option. Well, you can go for any of the cover page. If you want to remove that, you can go for remove current cover page. You can also remove that. Well, there is second option known as blank page. If I use that, it will be making a new page for me. You can observe this place at the bottom, page 2 of 2. Try to observe that. See, now page 3 of 3, now page 4 of 4, now page 5 of 5. So you can make and create new page. Let me zoom it in. Page break. Let me retype the formula as equal to RAND. Try to click in the middle of the formula and go for page break. See, now it is cut in the middle. See, half the portion has gone to the first page and half of the part is coming to the second page. This is the work of page break. Try to cut that and bring it to the first page or second page. There is an option which is present in a tables group which is related to table. Well, if you want to go and use any of these options that are something that are related to making table, how many of the rows you want or how many of the columns you want, so that depends upon your need. So let's suppose I want 3 of the columns and 3 of the rows. So this is what I want. You can go and utilize anywhere, utilize for any of the work, utilize for any of the data. That depends upon your data or your need. Insert table, well, if I may go for 10 columns or 5 columns, 10 rows. I have got 5 columns and 10 rows. So what I have to do in it, I have to type one table and a list of students. Like for example, I have to type names, English, it is subject, English subject, bio subject, history subject, and chemistry. And there is the third option, draw table. If I draw table, and there is also a sort of pen or pencil, and now you're free to make your columns and your rows, any of the row you want, how many of the lines you want, or how many of the rows or columns you want. So you're free to use that. Even you can use like it, you can use like that. So you're free to make it. Let's try to use the third, I think so, the fourth option, convert text to table. Well, sometimes the students cannot understand why is it not working, so they are confused most probably. Let me tell you something, that there are many of the options that are related or that are depending upon the text. So you need to type some sort of text, some sort of formula or whatever you want to type. You need to at least type something in order to use some of the options, because that are not going to be possible to be used without typing any of the things. As equal to, now I have typed this formula, so try to select that and go for convert text to table. Now it is possible to be used. Now it is possible to be used. Convert text to table, it means that whatever you have, it will be converted to sort of table, provided that you click on paragraphs and hit OK. See, now paragraphs are converted to table. And let's try to go for Excel spreadsheet. Let's try to click at the bottom and Excel spreadsheet. Well, this will be bringing separate sheet of Microsoft Excel in which you are free to work, and which you'll be having the table, and you can type any of the thing you want. Well, if you want to get rid of that, how can you get rid of that? Just press escape button, that is at the corner of your keyboard. And there is the last option known as quick tables. Let me explain that. Let's try to apply any of the color and try to apply Algerian style. Go for insert and try to convert text to table. Go for paragraph. See, a sort of table you have created. Then you have applied color and then you have applied style. So select that and go for insert table, quick tables. There is an option save selection to quick tables gallery. This is also something that you will be saving your table inside gallery. Hit OK. Now you're free to delete that because it is already saved. How can you find that? Where is it present? you have to go to quick tables and come down. See, you've got the same table which I have just saved. So that's all about tables and pages groups. Let's try to go for illustrations. The first option is related to pictures, which means if you want to use that, it will be bringing pictures for you. Try to click the pictures, and if you have pictures, then you can go and utilize the pictures. Let me try if I have, see, there is picture. Online picture, let's try to use that. If you want to bring any of the picture from browse, like for example, I want to bring Obama. See, if I want to use that and insert that, it will be inserted in Microsoft Word. Now it is downloading. I have inserted Obama's picture. Let's try to go for shapes. Shape is something, I think so, any of the shape you want, you can go and utilize that according to your work. Smart art is, I may say smart art is a sort of design, I can say. Let me zoom it in a little bit. And try to go for vertical bullet list. John, class 7th, Johnson, class 8th. I have to click at the corner of this box and go for design, change color. Any color you want, you can go for that. And there are some styles. Any style you want, you can go for that. I personally like cartoon. This is also looking very good and very beautiful. Insert. Let's try to use screenshot, screen clipping. Try to wait a few seconds, and if I click that and drag it to left side, this area will be snapped and it will be coming there automatically. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.